Hey y'all, welcome back to Born to Barbecue. Today we're going to be making our very own homemade bacon out of this nice 2.5 pound slab of pork belly. All right, so today we are going to be serving up some brown sugar, some curing salt, some kosher salt, some 16 mesh black pepper, and some syrup. We are going to be mixing this all in together, curing it for about 3 to 5 days. My calculator that I used online, I'll put a link in the description below, it says that there should be approximately a 3-day cure time. It's going to be dependent on the slab thickness and the slab weight of the pork belly that you're using. Okay. We're also going to be getting some distilled water and mixing it in a freezer safe bag. I'll be using a vacuum sealer. Again, link in the description below for the vacuum sealer and bags that I'll be using. And we will store that in the fridge. Every day we're going to flip it the opposite direction. We want to make sure that every time we do so, we're mixing up all the juices together so that one side of the pork belly does not become dry while the other side is moist. All right, you guys, we have some beautifully peppered uncured bacon about to be getting mixed up with the other ingredients and thrown inside a freezer safe bag for the next couple days. All right, you guys, we've got the pork belly vacuum sealed bag. Don't have necessarily all the air pulled out of it. I would say most of the air is out of there. We don't want it so tight that we can't get that meat moved around, you know, get some pressing in there kind of thing so that we can evenly distribute some of the seasonings, the spices, things like that that are in the bag over the next couple of days. We really want to get that massaged in there. So whenever I take it the next day, flip it over, I really want to make sure that everything's evenly distributed, get a nice, good, firm pat, and then leave it till the next morning. All right, y'all. So it's been about 5 days. We let it go a couple days over. I was out of town with work. You know, you can let it cure a little while longer past the estimated cure time. 7 days, even I've seen as far as some people going as long as 2 weeks, is not abnormal to let these slabs of pork belly cure. You know, as long as you've got somebody constantly flipping it, which my wife was doing for me while I was gone, you don't really have anything to worry about. You can stretch it out a little bit longer if you need to. So you see we've got the pit boss in the back. We got it going. We're about to throw this baby on there. Try to cook it about 2 hours or so. I got the grill at 250. We're going to try to hit that nice sweet internal temp spot at about 150. And once that's done, we'll be good and we'll pull it off. And then from there, I'll be able to slice it into pieces. All right, you guys, we've got her in the smoker. Looking pretty good. We end up putting an extra dusting of some coarse ground black pepper, 16 mesh, with some MeatChurch Pecan Rub. Look at that right there. Got a couple hours smoking, and then she will be ready to cut and eat. All right, you see that right there? Ooh, baby. This thing smells delicious. That honey in the rub ended up caramelizing. You can see it just on the edge of the bacon, that first slice. And baby, that thing smells delicious. It's going to taste great on burgers and for breakfast and everything else we can throw at it. That wraps up today's episode. All right, everybody. See you on the next one.